What's up, guys? I'm Travis. I'm just an average guy trying to do above average things. Today, I'm going to show you how I fix a leaky PVC pipe. So on this one I got lucky. The leak that I need to fix is right here. It's just a minor drip, but it needs to be fixed, otherwise it's going to get worse. And I happen to have a valve right here I can turn off, which is already off. And I have a valve right here going to the water softener, which I can turn that off. So now I'm only going to be draining the water from this point on. So now let's drain the water. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to turn off the main water. And then I'm going to drain from my little drain port I have here for my irrigation. Hopefully that'll get all the water out.
The water wasn't draining fast enough, so I opened another valve to help vent the system.
Next I gotta try and figure out the best place to cut the pipe to replace this. So it looks like I could cut the pipe real close to this fitting right here, and then over here, and then maybe right here real close to this fitting. It's connected to a flexible pipe down the line there, so I can move it around a little bit. So let's try that. Based off where I'm cutting the pipe, I determined these are the parts I need to do the job. I got PVC cutters. I've got primer and glue that's actually rated for CPVC because I'm using CPVC. I got a coupler. I got a T, a 90, and some pipe. It's all 1 inch. So I think I got most of the water out of the line, but I know that there's still some water in there, so we're probably going to see some water leak out when I cut this. So. I'm just going to clean up the ends of the pipe. It may be necessary to remove some of the PVC hangers on either side of the joint to help get it together better. I'm going to sort of rebuild this assembly dry so I can make sure I have everything cut right, and then test fit it. Okay, let's see if it fits. Cut this piece a little bit long so I can trim it in place. Well, the dry fit looks pretty good. Now let's take it all apart, prime it, cement it in place.
Apply the primer to both mating surfaces of the joint. Let it set until it's tacky. If you're using CPVC, be sure your primer is compatible.
Be sure to also prime the pipes you're about to mate to.
Use a heavy even coat on the pipe and a thin even coat on the inside of the fitting. If you're using CPVC, be sure your cement is compatible. Push the pipe in, give it a twist, and hold for 5 to 10 seconds.
Okay, looks like everything's back together.
I let everything cure for about an hour. Use this table to determine how long your joints need to dry.
Okay guys, it's been an hour, everything should be dry. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the water back on. Here we go. Looks like we're good. I don't see any leaks. Well, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you don't need to use this video and you never have a leaky pipe, but if you do, I hope it's helpful. Please subscribe for more videos like this.